Well, what's up, guys? We're here in JPM. We're doing Lorenzo's Razz for the Messier 101. Let me just see. Randomize 3 times. There we are. Just making sure. So I will go down and type in live. Get that first timestamp. That is in at 3:16. It's 3:16 here in Denver. I will go and grab this list. We got Nick Simonelli on the top and Simonelli on the bottom. Simonelli on the bottom, Simonelli on top, no spaces in between. We're going 3 times, everybody. Good luck. 1, Bruce. 2, Nick. Go and grab our first timestamp. That is in at 3:17. It's 3:17. And third and final time. Good luck, everybody. Bruce, spot 17. Congratulations, Bruce. Get your information on over to Lorenzo, and he'll get that Messier 101 out for you right away. That last timestamp is in at 3:17. It's 3:17. Again, Bruce, 3 times. Congratulations.